Jammu Links News Top Stories is brought to you by Tasya Herbals alcohol-based hand sanitizer with neem and aloe vera extracts, helping India fight COVID-19. The sleuths of Central Bureau of Investigation Jammu on Tuesday raided the residence of former Member of Parliament and Minister and the founder of Dogra Swabhiman Sangathan Chaudhry Lal Singh in Educational Trust case. The team led by senior officers raided the residence in Ward number 2 of Kathua. Earlier, teams have already been formed in land allotment to Educational Trust case to trace some documents related to the allotment, which is being probed by the CBI. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha met Shabir Ahmed Ningru, a budding cricketer from Kashmir, and praised him for being an inspiration for a large number of people in the Union Territory. The Lieutenant Governor also assured cricketer Shabir of all possible support and wished him success. Accusing the BJP government of ruining the careers of several thousands of pharmacists and other paramedical staff who had completed their professional courses prior to state reorganization, Harshdev Singh, Chairman JKNPP and former minister, said that delay and deny over issuance of registration and licenses to all such candidates on the pretext of repeal of earlier laws was highly unjustified and atrocious. After a gap of 18 years, the government is taking steps to cultivate land on the zero line in border areas in Jammu and Kashmir's Kathua. To assess the ground realities on the zero line and prepare for farming, Deputy Commissioner Kathua O.P. Bhagat convened a meeting on the zero line at border outpost Manyari. All the preparation of farming, demarcation of farmers' land and obstacles like landmine threat were discussed at the meeting. The Pakistan farmers are cultivating their field up to the zero lines, but in Hiranagar sector, nearly 3,500 canals of land are lying uncultivated due to indiscriminate firing by Pakistan. The number of active COVID-19 cases under medical care are 1/5 of the total number of coronavirus cases reported in the country, Union Health Ministry said on Tuesday. There are 14 states and UTs having less than 5,000 active cases. There are 18 states and UTs having active cases between 5,000 to 50,000. Only 4 states and UTs are having more than 50,000 cases, Rajesh Bhushan, Secretary, Union Health Ministry, said during a press conference addressing the coronavirus situation in India.
की संख्या है। इसके अलावा इस वीक में हमने अब तक 5 करोड़ 80 लाख टेस्ट किए हैं और ये इसलिए संभव हो पाया है कि आईसीएमआर के डीजी और सचिव डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हेल्थ रिसर्च यहाँ मौजूद हैं। उन्होंने देश भर में टेस्टिंग कैपेसिटी का विस्तार किया है।
Security forces arrested 2 overground workers of Al Badr terrorist outfit and recovered cash of rupees 6 lakh in South Kashmir district of Pulwama on Tuesday. A joint party of security force and police intercepted a scooty at Avantipura in Pulwama. During the searches, security forces recovered rupees 6 lakhs. 2 overground workers arrested were identified as Rais Ahmed and Mushtaq Ahmed of Al Badr, and that they have confessed that they were on their way to Crew from Shopian to deliver the cash. The security forces called off Pulwama operation in which 2 soldiers were injured in the terrorist attack who later managed to escape from the area. On a tip-off about the presence of terrorist special operation group of Jammu and Kashmir Police, Rashtra Rifles and CRPF launched a joint cordon and search operation in village Marwal on the bank of River Jhelum in Pulwama in the wee hours of Tuesday. The authorities have suspended internet as a precautionary measure to prevent rumors and fake news on social media. The Journal Administration Department has constituted an apex level and 2 divisional level committees to conduct ground assessment for holding elections to the vacant Panchayat and Block Development Councils in Jammu and Kashmir. The apex committee will draw a roadmap besides preparing a detailed schedule for the conduct of elections to vacant Panchayat and BDCs across the Union Territory. Both committees will be served by the Department of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Tuesday said that India is ready to deal with any situation regarding the India-China border tensions. He said that China does not recognize the traditional customary alignment of the line of actual control and the border issue between remains unresolved. Singh said that China has mobilized a huge number of army battalions and armaments along LAC and inner areas.
और प्रोटोकॉल्स भी हैं। इन समझौतों के तहत दोनों देशों ने यह माना है कि एलएसी पर पीस और ट्रैंक्विलिटी बहाल रखी जाएगी, जिस पर एलएसी की अपनी अपनी रेस्पेक्टिव पोजीशन और बाउंड्री क्वेश्चन का कोई असर नहीं माना जाएगा। इस आधार पर वर्ष 1988 के बाद से दोनों देशों के बाइलेटरल रिलेशंस में काफी विकास हुआ।
Protest demonstration was staged by all J&K Home Guard Welfare Association under the chairmanship of Babu Hussain Malik, President EJACIR, Kamla Sharma, President of the association, in support of the demands of the Jawans of Home Guards. The protesters demanded immediate settlement of long-pending demands of Home Guards. The demands which were highlighted by them included regularization of Home Guards, fixation of their salaries as per the Supreme Court order, which has been implemented by various other states and UTs of the country also.